very smooth, yeah.
Yesterday we went down with a big bang.
Right.
We flew to Delhi yesterday.
Ah, yeah. The domestics one, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I got that feeling as well. Most of the time in the domestic, the small planes, they kind of land little bit.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a very
Yeah.
good afternoon and welcome to London's Heathrow Airport, where the local time is just approaching 3:20 in the afternoon. Please now do keep your seatbelts fastened until the captain does turn off the fasten seatbelt signs. However, you're now free to use your mobile phones. Well, we'll return any items we've stowed for you as soon as we arrive at the terminal, and if you were given one of our infant life jackets at the beginning of the flight, please do have this ready for collection by the cabin crew. Before you leave us, remember to check around your seat and seat pocket to make sure you've got everything with you. And when opening the overhead lockers, please be careful as items may move during our landing. If you'd like to donate any loose change or foreign currency to our community impact causes, there'll be a collection bag available as you pass through the aircraft door. Well, finally, on behalf of the entire team, it really has been our pleasure having you on board this Virgin Atlantic service from Delhi. Wherever you're going, do have a safe onward journey, and we look forward to welcoming you back on board again soon. Until next time, thank you and good afternoon.